Before we start, you need to make sure you have completed the Bixby setup process. An easy way to check this is going into settings, scrolling down to advanced features and clicking on Bixby key. If both options are available, that means you have completed the setup process. If not, it will direct you to the setup process to complete it. Once that is done, you want to go to the Play Store and search BXACTIONS and install the following app. Once the app is installed, you want to open it. You're going to click next and you want to grant the permissions for the app. Now that that's done, you want to click on the Bixby button on top. You're going to click on single press and choose which application you want it to open. So I'm going to go for camera. For the long press, I'm going to go for flashlight. And for actions in lock screen, I'm going to go for flashlight as well. For single press, you have to actually double press the Bixby button in order for it to work. So in order for me to access the camera, I have to double press the Bixby button, not single press it. If this app hasn't worked for you, that means you have updated the Bixby app. From here onwards, the best solution is to wait till BXActions updates their app and cancel any future updates from Bixby. Now that we have completed all the steps, let's see if it works.